right, you guys. So we are just on our way to Laramie right now tonight. Got to be back in Walden, but our room was up, so we decided just to head back to Laramie because it's only like an hour and 10 minutes away, so not a big deal. But in this video, Barrett and his wife Ashley, they're from Alabama, really good people. I mean, I couldn't believe it. They flew in from Alabama. They just decided to take a road trip. And Ashley, as far as I know, Barrett too, but I'm not sure, they'd never flown before. And never really taken a vacation. And so they got on a plane. They wanted to come out and meet us. And Barrett got to come out and weld with us for a little while. And Ashley got to meet Liza and kind of talk about mom stuff and what it's like being on the road and whatnot with her. But in this video, my battery died a little ways through it, but we got to work with Barrett a little bit. Mostly on his root is what you guys are going to see on this, and I think we got a little bit of the hot pass, but not much before the camera. I believe the camera actually froze. Like, it just ceased to work. But I just thought that was something else. Really good people. I mean, super down-to-earth people, but they are working on getting to where they want to be. And that included a flight for two all the way from Alabama down over to Colorado. And I mean, that's just huge commitment. And to get to work with Barrett and kind of show him some tips, show him a little bit of like certain things you could do to kind of help his welding ability and to improve it, was just, I mean, I thought that was just phenomenal and just a huge commitment from them. I mean, that's just, I mean, I am more than willing to help somebody that is that committed to the cause, you know. They want this so bad that they were willing to fly both of them over and come meet us. And that was just, that's phenomenal. So anyways, you guys, enjoy this video. It's going to just kind of cut off towards the end. But we kind of got to sit down with Barrett. We got to work with him a little bit. Wish we'd gotten Ashley in on the videos. Because I think she could have had a lot of questions that a lot of you guys had, which I probably will try to do a FaceTime with her and Liza, and we'll try to get that all recorded on some of the questions she had, and then that I'm hoping maybe you guys have too. So everybody be blessed, enjoy, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll talk to you later. See ya. All right, everybody, welcome back to Schofield Welding. Guys, we have Barrett Solomon. That's right, Solomon. He is from Alabama. Him and his wife actually flew all the way out here to Colorado right after I got laid off, which I feel so freaking bad because I was actually on a job the day they flew in, and then I was still on the job. I got back tonight, and we're gonna sit here and actually weld a little bit. Bought some night lights, just got done eating dinner, had a couple beers, now we're getting ready to get into this. So everybody enjoy. Thank you, Barrett, for coming out. His wife Ashley, total sweetheart. She's in the camper with Liza right now, and looks like Daniel is just showing up too to start laying down a little bit of weld. So everybody enjoy, be blessed, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll talk to you here in a bit.
to see from the moment we arrived. Cornelia, you are one who will survive. When time's been bad, you put smiles